Hey everyone, okay, so today I've got 4 brand new products here to show you from Victoria Beckham. Now I bought these myself. This is her brand new eyeshadow palettes and they've been revamped and this is what they look like. So this is the first one here. And we've got this one. And this one. And finally, this one. Now, these are a lot thicker and heavier than the originals. So this is the original eyeshadow palette and this is the new one. And you can see that there is a big difference. But the original also, in terms of texture, the original, while I really liked it, so this is the original, it was pretty chalky, which I didn't mind, but a lot of people, I think, didn't care for it. So this new formula has been revamped, to say the least. So I'll swatch everything and then I'll give you some thoughts. In terms of formula, right, these are some of the most refined formulas I think available at the moment. They are buttery, there's these matte textures, these shimmer textures, these metallic textures. Everything feels, which you would expect here, but everything feels incredibly high end. There is something incredibly high end about these. Firstly, I love the size. The weight of them is ridiculous, but I love that also. But there's just something so beautiful about these. They're high end. That is what they are. These feel, to me, they feel Tom Ford-esque. There's something, in fact, they feel better than Tom Ford-esque. I love Victoria Beckham products, particularly the bronzer. I think the bronzer is amazing. I was hoping it would be that size, but it isn't, but that's okay. But everything about this screams class. They blend, they work together. The colors, depending on your preferences, I'm not a big fan of green, but they all work in harmony with each other. If you are looking for a new eyeshadow kit and you're looking for something just very basic, very everyday, you can't really go wrong here. I mean, obviously this is my favorite, which is just this basic brown, but it's perfect. It is absolutely perfect. If I just had these 4 eyeshadow palettes and nothing else, I think I'd probably be all right. That's how I feel about it. I'm really in love with these. Oh, I wish they'd sent them for free. Sadly not, but there you go. So I bought them and they're mine. And I also bought some refills as well, which I've got here. So everything is refillable. Oh, I love them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.